Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create units of measure. Let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create units of measure, let's talk about the purpose of this. The purpose of this is to standard and organizing quantities for efficient management of inventory, sales, and financial transactions. By assigning specific units to various items or products, such as kilograms, liters, or pieces, business can accurately track stock levels, calculate costs, and conduct transactions seamlessly. So first, accessing back office. So you go into the back office. So we are already here in the back office. So you can log in your username. You can type your username and your password. So type enter. So we're here in already in back office. So go to in items inventory. Then locate these units of measure. And so we already here in units of measure. So the unit abbreviation means shortened representation of the unit. Like for example, the acronym of like this BX or BAX, or example the kg is kilogram. So descriptive name is the what is the description is for example like this. The unit abbreviation is the kg. Then the description name is the kilogram. Then the decimal places, you can choose this user quantities decimal means to the number of digits of the right of the decimal point in numerical volume, indicating the precision of or granularity of the measurement. So, for example, ml and millimeter for like this can add. Then if this update, you can click the update button if there are any changes or addition made to the description. So you can click this add new once the update is complete and any addition have been made. So you can click this add new. So as you can see, the new unit has been added. So as you can see, the ml and the description is millimeters. So this is the process on how to create a unit of measures.